Let's make one more exercise in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn how to use the Extrude, rib, and mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make the base, okay? The base, we have the dimensions here. It is a square with 120 by 120 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 15 millimeters of radius. And we have 4 holes here, and this hole is concentric with this arc here, and the diameter is 16 millimeters, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the top plane, go to 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a square here with 120 by 120 millimeters, okay? Now go to fillet, select this edge here, the fillet here is 15 millimeters, select the other edge here with 15 millimeters too. Okay, now select the circle. The circle has 16 millimeters of diameter, so make the circle in this point. That means it is concentric with this arc. Make all the circles equal. Okay. And finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 20 millimeters, okay? The distance here. So go to extrude, select this profile, 20 millimeters, operation new body, and press OK. We made the base, okay? Now we will make this cylinder here. So the distance between the center of the cylinder and this face here is 8 millimeters, okay? And the diameter is 50 millimeters, the outside diameter, and the hole is 30 millimeters of diameter, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Okay, select a circle. Make a circle with 50 millimeters of diameter and create a circle with 30 millimeters of diameter. We made this. Go to dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and this edge here is 8 millimeters. And go to constraints and select horizontal vertical. Select this point and the midpoint here. Okay, we made this. Finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this, and we will extrude this 50 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, don't select this circle here, okay? And the direction here, select symmetric, and measurement, whole length, and the distance here 50 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now we'll make this area here, and we will extrude this 20 millimeters, okay? So to make this area, we'll go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Go to create and select the project including project. The selection filter, select the specified entities, select this circle here, and select this point and this point here, and press OK. Now select line, click here in this point, make a tangent line here. This line must be tangent with this arc, okay? Make the same here in this side. And make a line between these 2 points. We have this profile, so finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. And the direction here, select symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here 20 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we need to create this rib here. Okay. this rib here. The thickness is 10 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, select the project included, project. The selection filter, select the body, select this body here, press OK. Now select the line. Make a line between these 2 points here. And finish the sketch. Now go to create and select the rib. The profile, select this line here. The thickness, 10 millimeters. The thickness direction, select the symmetric and flip the direction here. And press OK. We made this. Now go to create to make the rib in the other side. So go to create and select the mirror. The object type, select the features. The object, select this rib here. And the mirror plane, select the right plane, okay? We'll make this and press OK. So we made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard to add some color here. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.